Hey everyone, today we are going to look at discounting a single sum when we have multiple compounding periods. So in the previous micro lecture, we looked at discounting a single sum when we had one compounding period. We were just discounting money yearly. Now we're going to see when we have multiple compounding periods in the year, we have to adjust our formula a little bit. We have to introduce this M variable, which is the number of compounding periods per year. Other than that, it's the same formula that we've used. FV is our future amount, PV is the present amount that we're trying to find, R is going to be our discount rate, and N is going to be the number of years. And then we have this M variable, that's the number of compounding periods per year. That can be quarterly or monthly or daily. It just depends on what we're trying to calculate. Now I like to convert the present value formula to a factor, and all we're going to do is separate out this division or this fraction into two different fractions, and this latter part is going to be this latter part here. This is going to be our factor, and we just multiply that factor by the future value that we're given, and that gives us the present amount. So let's look at an example. Here, Johnny wants to know how much to put into an account, paying 8% per year with semi-annual compounding. He wants to have $10,000 in 10 years. First thing we're going to do is we're going to find the present value factor. We are just going to put these numbers into the formula. 8% is our discount rate. We have semi-annual compounding, so the M variable is going to be 2. We have 10 years. When we plug that into our formula, we get a a discounting factor of 0.4564. We're just going to multiply that by the 10,000, and we're going to see that Johnny needs to put aside $4,564. So if he invests that amount at 8% compounded semi-annually for 10 years, he will have $10,000 at the end of that term. Thanks everyone for tuning in. We will see you on our next lecture.